We discuss experiment number 31 presented by Karan V. Bapte, Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Title: To study microscopic examination of feces. Prior concept: it is an end product of digestive system of body, normally composed of undigested food, various product of digestion, bile, leukocytes and non-pathogenic bacteria. New concept, proposition first, parasite. What is meant by parasite? It is an organism that is entirely dependent on another organism referred to as its host for all or part of its life cycle and metabolic requirement. Proposition 2, parasitic infection. Parasitic infection in human being primarily involved intestine. Hence, the common specimen used for diagnosis of intestinal parasitic infection is feces or stool sample. Then proposition 3 is parasitic infection. It includes amoebiasis, giardiasis infections caused by nematodes, cystode, trematodes, filaria, etc. Then we see the intestinal parasite. They are classified into two parts, protozoa and helminth. Protozoa is single celled organism. It also classified into amoeba, entamoeba histolytica, flagellia, giardia lamblia, then celeriacs, Balantidium coli. Then helminth means multicellular organisms classified into cystodes, that is tapeworm, Taenia solanium, Taenia saginata. Then nematodes, it also further classified into 4, roundworm, threadworms, hookworm and whipworms. Roundworm is Ascarias lumbricoides, threadworm Entamoebus vermicularis, hookworms Ancystoma duodenum, whipworms Trichuris trichuria, filarial and other tissue nematodes. Learning objective are 2. First one, intellectual skill, in that to understand concept of microscopic examination and staining. Second one, to identify various shapes observed under microscope. Third, to interpret parasitic infection from the observation. Then motor skill, ability to handle and use microscope. The apparatus requirement is first glassware, in that prepared or permanent slides and microscope. Then chemicals, Lugol's iodine solution is required. Then we see the stepwise procedure. First, stain preparation. It involves following steps. A drop of Lugol's iodine is placed on the slide. Little fecal material, which is concentrated by fecal concentration technique, is mixed with a drop of iodine solution. Then a cover slip is placed on it. Then observed under microscope with 40x objective. See, the microscopic examination of slides of feces reveals following details. We see the detail in observation, then physiological or pathological significance of it, and then diagram. See, the first one is parasites, round in shape of size 12 to 15 micrometer, 4 nuclei, cytoplasm, stain yellowish grey in iodine solution. Cell contains cytoplasm with a chromatin nucleus and inclusion of RBC, leukocytes, tissue, debris and bacteria absent. The significance is Entamoeba histolytica cyst. Then second one is oval shape of size 8 to 12 micrometer with a double wall, granular cytoplasm, stained yellow in iodine solution, 2 to 4 oval nuclei and 2 parallel hair-like flagella, Giardia lamblia cyst. Then 3 elongated shape of size 10 to 18 micrometer. It has a large concave sucking disc on ventral surface. It has 4 pear-shaped flagella and 2 nuclei, Giardia lamblia trophozoite. Then second one is intestinal helminth, in that fourth one barrel shape of size 33 to 40 micrometer with a mucus plug at each pole, yellow brownish color double shell. It contains granular mass, that is, significance is ova of Vipum trichurea. Then fifth one, round oval in shape, brownish in color with thin outer shell of size 80 to 90 micrometer, contains central mass of large granules. Sixth one, oval or round shape of size 70 micrometer, shell is a stained brown with yellow content. It contains granular mass which is a unsegmented fertilized ovum. The significance is fertilized egg of roundworm Ascarius lumbricoides. The seventh, oval or elliptical colorless, surrounded by thin transparent shell which appear as a black line around ovum. It contains ovum which is a segmented 4 to 8 cell stage, ova of hookworm Ancylostoma duodenal. Eighth, alternate irregular slide, longer than broad yellow to brown color. Eggs of Tapetum, Taenia solanium, Taenia saginata. Then adult worm found in fishes, pinkish white of size 50 cm in length, taper at both sides. The tail of male is curved and has a small rod-like projection. There is a small mouth surrounded by 3 lips. That significance is large round worm Ascarius lumbricoides.